Alright, you guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Today is a red day. That's why I'm wearing red, Eric.
I know, I missed the memo, man.
I know.
I'm gonna have to talk to HR.
You're black and gray.
HR is not giving us the news, and I'm kind of done with them.
Okay, yeah, well, before, we usually have editor meetings in the mornings. Actually,
and
no.
someone was late today to that one. Sorry about
you
that.
were?
Yeah, sorry
I know.
about that.
Eric's always late. He's never here. I'm always here bright. As you can see by the stories, you guys, I'm here every day, bright and early. Like always.
6 a.m., dude.
Where's Eric? Where's Eric?
11 o'clock, I'm rolling in like, I just woke up. I don't feel good.
Hey, with my Egg McMuffins at noon, just woke up. Like, whoa. Hey, I work nights. What can I say? You guys, so today we're going to talk about something from Milwaukee. Very well-known brand. One of the big majors out there in the industry. And I think that, Milwaukee's got some great tools out there, right?
Yeah, a lot of tools.
They definitely are an innovative company. And I like the way they're going. And I like this tool I got. I kind of knew I wanted it. But when I got it, did I realize how much I liked it and wanted it. All right, we had to do a cut because the heater came on. But Eric, what are we talking about?
Well, the die grinder, but to back up, I think actually Milwaukee's taken their cordless tools farther than a lot of the other ones. I mean, Makita does a good job too, but the amount of tools that they offer, and especially in this 12-volt tool, 12-volt line, I'm actually loving what they're doing with it. But that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about the die grinder today, and it's something you've wanted, you've been talking about for a while. And why do you want it? What do you like about it?
First of all, I like about it because it's basically a pneumatic tool that's been changed over to lithium ion. No longer do you need that air compressor, or the cord, or anything like that. I went next door to the boys next door to the mechanics, and that's what they said. They were impressed with it, I mean, granted, yes, it's, not as compact as a air die grinder. You can get those things pretty compact, but you don't have to deal with that hose. You don't have to deal with that compressor noise.
Just huge.
Yeah, and for guys that are just using it on quick jobs here and there, I understand for 8 hours you got to use this tool. I mean, you're going to be going through a lot of batteries and the tool's probably going to overheat, right? But for, 98% of the metalworking mechanics out there, I feel like this is just a great, great tool for them. It's small, it's compact, it's brushless, and it has power, you guys. We do recommend, actually Milwaukee recommends, they have a chart. I'll throw it up right now. So those are the disc sizes. But if you stay with 2-inch, you're safe.
Why? Because it's bigger just because of the RPMs or what?
Yeah, I don't know. It's just pretty much it was designed for a 2-inch accessory to go.
No, and that makes sense because like grinders, like the 4.5 or 5, you want them at certain RPMs. You don't, you know what I mean? Some are made for that.
Yeah.
So. Now, is this only really automotive and metalworking, really, or can you use it for like a lot? Because I know there's certain people out there, and I'm not saying there's antiquers. There's if you're cleaning different things, you get like the old stuff.
I think they have buffing. In fact, I got one here. Little buffing attachments that you could put on it, but I feel with the speed of this tool, you could do some damage. So you want to be careful.
Speed, though, right?
It does have variable speed, and it does have a 4-speed on the back here, you guys.
Now, pneumatic ones, do they have that too usually, or is it just all feathering with the trigger?
I think mostly feathering with the trigger. I can't recall when had the speeds up here, but 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, and 24.5 on the back, depending on your application. You just basically push it and go. Fuel gauge on the side. It actually feels really nice in hand, doesn't it?
Yeah, no, I like it. I like the actual, I like the size of it,
I like the size of it and the power, you guys. You're getting a lot of power in your hand for this. So, personally, I think, what did we see it for? Like $259, was it?
Yeah, you know what I really like? Is the metal paddle instead of like plastic. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Some tools have like plastic paddles.
Right.
I'm not saying this, but I've seen like grinders with plastic paddles. So.
Yeah, no, it's pretty cool, man. I mean, it's definitely, I was waiting for it to come out, and I was happy that it did come out. This is a kit, what did I say, 259?
Yeah, so 2 amp hour batteries.
Like 259 with 2 batteries and a charger. I think the tool by itself was 169, something like that. You can head over to your usual
Does it come,
suspect.
Are these the accessories it came with, or is that
No,
part of that kit?
this is all stuff I bought on Amazon.
But it doesn't come with any accessories.
Doesn't come with any accessories. This is like a roll-lock kit. These are the greatest, you guys. And they're really inexpensive on Amazon. So get your tool from Depot.
So then to change this, there's no arbor lock, there's 2 wrenches.
2 wrenches. Yeah, are they included? I didn't even look in there. They should, yeah, they're right there.
Okay.
So yeah, it comes with the 2 wrenches. Personally, if you got this roll-lock attachment on here, I believe it's called roll-lock, you're just twisting attachments on and off.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't even notice that.
Yeah. To me, it's great when you're metalworking, building, stuff like that. I think Milwaukee really hit a home run here.
Home run or a grand slam? More of a home run, maybe 1 or 2 runs.
Well, what's the difference?
Grand Slam, you have bases loaded, and that's 4 runs. A home run could be 1, 2, or 3.
Well, since it's only one product, we're going to call it a home run. How about that?
Lead-off home run. We'll call it a lead-off home run.
Yeah, you guys, we're not sponsored by Milwaukee in any way. We're free to talk about them however we wish. And, you know, they have some great tools, and they, just like everybody else, they have some mediocre tools, right? Every brand does. But I think in this case, it's awesome, and they did a really good job, and I really like what they're doing going towards this automotive market. I think they're making Snap-on a little nervous. We did do the Snap-on ratchets versus the Milwaukee ratchets, you know, which was a really close call, and the Snap-ons were twice as much, but I still like the Snap-on ratchets a little bit better, I feel, just because they're smaller and tighter and a little more powerful to get in spaces. But I mean, Milwaukee's still killing it, you guys. I mean, they're definitely, you know,
the 12-volt line.
Yeah, and when you start comparing prices, I mean, $250 for this on a Snap-on truck with Snap-on branded would be $650.
Easily.
You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
So I know a lot of you out there are like, oh, Milwaukee's overpriced, this or that. Yeah, they got a premium for the name. You're paying a premium for the Milwaukee name. They're marketing, you know. That's what they're about, is marketing their product the best they can, right? You could have the best something, put it out there, and without branding or marketing, it's not going to go anywhere, right?
The one thing I would like to see change from Milwaukee is their copper cutter. I love that tool, but I wish it was just it cuts great. I just wish it was a little bit faster.
Really?
Yeah, just because I've been using it a lot. I've been doing an addition in the house, and I've been using it a ton. And maybe just because I'm using it all the time, but I feel like it'd be a little bit quicker. But maybe it can't because of the pressure. But
yeah, I feel like if you went quicker with that, you could start damaging the copper. Maybe there's...
I'm wondering if it would just... So, I don't know, whatever.
Laser. Wouldn't that be cool?
That would be
something
cool.
like this, the Milwaukee copper cutting lasers.
Yes, you could put it on shark heads.
Yes,
cool,
with laser
man.
beams.
Yes.
Yeah. So you guys, comment below, let us know what you guys think. Obviously, there's a lot of Milwaukee fans out there. There's a lot of Milwaukee haters, just like any brand.
Like Ford, Chevy, and Dodge, man.
Yeah.
You get them all.
Yep, you get them all. And, you know, we're trying to be as open as possible about this stuff. You know, everybody knows that you're a big Milwaukee fan and Makita fan, and I'm a big DeWalt fan, right? Well... I'm
a big Bosch fan. Forgot about that.
Bosch fan too. Man, you're a fan of everything. You're just a fanboy.
I'm just a hoarder, man.
So Eric's just a fanboy. But no, I mean, I like Milwaukee, but I'm not, you know, on the construction side of things too much like he is. I'm more automotive. But they're really pulling me in with this automotive stuff, you guys. They're really pulling me in. And I think that's the goal, right? Is to pull that consumer in. Because once I'm in on the 12-volt platform here, what am I going to do next time I need a little impact or a quarter inch or your driver or, you know, a little...
Borrow my stuff.
Well, no, but I mean, I'm going to go for Milwaukee. I already have at home. Okay, so for my automotive shop here, I have mostly Ingersoll Rand, right?
Yep, right?
But at the house, it's all Milwaukee 12 volt, right? So,
right.
What?
Well, no, you said right, so I'm just agreeing with you.
Well, no, I'm just saying. But I feel like my Milwaukee's 12 volt stuff, just when I play with it and use it, I'm just like, man, it just seems like more high tech, more power. Just everything just seems better.
I've been using them for the addition. It's funny because probably about 2 weeks ago, I had a bag of concrete put in a 5-gallon bucket, and I was using their compact drill to mix it. You know, which you probably don't really want to do. No, I mean it did it.
Did it heat up a lot?
I don't know if it heated up. I mean, I was trying to like hold the bucket with my feet, and you know, you got the long paddle, and I mean, it was fine. It did. It did for what I needed to do. I mean, couldn't see doing it all day, but for a bucket, it was. But fine.
That's a pretty powerful drill, you guys.
Especially for a compact.
Yeah. Milwaukee's definitely one of the leaders, if not the leader, in the lithium-ion tool world, I feel.
Well, I think they were the first to market with it, weren't they?
And it was V28.
Yeah, the V-lines, which, you know, lithium's not an easy one to work with.
Right.
You know, especially coming out from the beginning of the gate with it, so.
Yeah, no, good job, Milwaukee. They did a good job. You know, like I said, comment below, let us know what you guys think. No other brand has this in a cordless tool. So that's why you can't really say, oh, so-and-so is better, because it's not.
But again, like you said, Milwaukee coming first with it, you know?
Yeah, I think you're going to see this from a lot of brands now. And that's great, because now it's going to push these other brands to be better than this, which is going to be kind of hard, because that's pretty good, I feel.
I think it's just hard because of the line tools, no 12-volt. I mean, they're probably rivaling some 18-volt tools in terms of the amount of tools they have out there.
Yeah, and power, too. Mm-hmm. Some lower-end 18-volt tools of other brands. I'm sure this 12-volt Milwaukee M12 is kicking his butt. Peace out, you guys. Comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And don't forget to let us know what you guys want to see in the bottom of this video. Comment, you guys. Start commenting. We might be having some big giveaways coming in 2020, and we're going to take care of the people who comment. Don't forget to follow us on the TikTok.
But we still got to talk to HR about the whole giveaway.
Yeah, well, who cares about HR?
Right.
Rebel against everybody in your company.
Forget HR,
You're done.
Man. What does human resource do for you? You know what I mean?
I know. We don't need them.
No, we're firing our HR guy.
Yes. Good. Can I keep his money?
He wasn't getting paid anything.
Oh.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.